The multi-purpose foot that comes with the Pfaff sewing machines these days is truly a fabulous tool, and just by its name, it can be used by for multiple things. So number one, if you are needing a shank of thread to give you a little room underneath your button, you go ahead and sew your button on while this tool is underneath it, and it leaves that little distance that you need for buttoning. Next, there is a small little hole in it, and that is perfect for sliding up the needle, loosening the screw, and then letting the needle drop into the holder, and vice versa, by helping you get the needle up high enough into the machine. And that little flat side on the back will help make sure that the needle doesn't spin or get in slightly twisted. The last thing that I use this for is when I need to go up and over a really thick seam, like this denim seam. So as you approach, what you do is usually your foot starts to angle up. Well, this tool helps to even out or make the foot level as it's traveling on higher plateaued areas, both behind the foot and also as you come off that thick mountainy area, you can set it in front of it, stitch a little bit into the opening, and it has two different thicknesses. So if you have a really thick seam, you can use the thicker side, or a more of a medium seam thickness, you can use the thinner side. So the multi-purpose tool, make sure you always have this right at your fingertips because you never know when you'll need it.